What's up everybody, Joe here from Main Line Overland. We just finished up a pretty rare install, and that is a 8-foot Project M on this AT4 Sierra behind me here. The Project M 4-wheel camper is a lighter weight option out there, especially great for people that still want to have use of their entire truck bed. The Project M differs from a full camper in that it's just sitting on top of the bed rails. So your full truck bed is kind of in there how it is from the factory, whereas a normal sliding camper, it's all enclosed. You don't really have use of your truck bed. If you're looking for a lighter weight option, or if you still don't have use for your truck bed, or if you're just looking for a more simple setup and more affordable option, the Project M is a great solution for you there. Typically, these are going on a lot of mid-size trucks just because people are more weight conscious. So it's kind of rare to see these on a full-size 8-foot bed pickup like this here. So let's dive in, take a closer look at all the features this camper has, as well as show you how much room is really inside this 8-foot Project M. So let's take a look. So take a look at some of the exterior features on this Project M. This camper decided to go with the silver frost exterior, which I think is a great option. It looks awesome on this like silver gray truck. We've seen pretty much 99% of the Project M's that come through here are doing the black diamond plate siding, which is super durable, super tough, but I really like the color of this silver on here. This customer also has the exterior gear rail. So this is kind of a T-track mounting setup on the side, so you can mount max tracks, jerry cans, water cans, axe and shovel, pretty much anything you don't want to carry on the inside of your camper. You can use these gear track here to mount on the exterior. All these 4-wheel camper Project M's come pre-wired for solar. So we installed a panel up on the roof for this customer, and you're also getting this additional solar port here on the exterior. So if you have something like a Bug Out 130 portable solar panel from Overland Solar, you can plug that into this connector here, or a lot of different solar companies use this Anderson connector here. So you park your truck in the shade, string out your solar, get it in the sun, and get everything charged up. So now we've gone through all the kind of exterior features. Let's get this opened up and take a look inside. There's 2 open handles on either side, which are lockable. The gas struts help you lift this up. Then we drop the tailgate. I will say GMC has really killed it on their new tailgate design. It's automatic, comes down slowly, but the part that's really nice is they have this built-in kind of step there. So that drops down, then you push that in. So it makes it super easy to get up in the truck camper. So to run through some interior options on this Project M camper, we got 2 powered roof vent fans, one in the front, one in the back. We have these kind of push to touch LED lights. If you hold your finger on there, they're also dimmable, which is super nice if you're kind of hanging out here at night. You can make the light a little less intense for you. Up here we have the cab over area. So this is the part of the camper that's over the cab of your truck. And this has the slide out bed. So you just pull that out, and the bed basically expands to double the size, and you have a nice huge sleeping platform. On the Project M's, the actual mattress material is an additional option. This customer already had a really nice set of sleeping pads and stuff from camping, so he decided just to use those, save a little bit of money, and put that towards some other options. We'll lift up here, get that back in. This camper also got 4-wheel campers upgraded kind of quilted thermal pack liner. So this is a huge upgrade from the older one that they were using. I think it looks a lot better. The quilted stitching in here really kind of dresses up the interior. It also provides a lot better insulation. It's quite a bit thicker, so it's going to help keep it cool in the summer and keep it nice and warm here in the winter. While we're up here, we can take a look at the kind of like window options. They have kind of this clear vinyl, so if you want to let the breeze in, you can take this down. If it's raining but you still want to have some light in the camper, you just put the vinyl back up. If it's really cold out, you're going to bed, they have the kind of blackout portion that goes up there. And then lastly, the liner will get velcroed up there as well to kind of seal everything up. So it gives you a lot of flexibility depending on the weather, depending on the temperature. You kind of get the perfect setup in here. So another feature we got on the interior here is the gear track rail on the interior. So this is commonly referred to as aircraft rail. It basically gives you a ton of different tie down points. If you're moving some heavy stuff, you want to tie it down into the truck bed, you can tie it off of here. You put bins up here to store your camping essentials. Really, there's endless possibilities of anything you can tie to here. The really nice thing about these is they use kind of a universal mount system. So these are the ratchet straps that come with the camper. They have this pretty nifty little universal clip here. So that just clips go through the circle, you slide over a little bit, and then it locks into place there. And that's not gonna move around. And then to remove it, put your finger in there, and then it simply slides out. So it's a really trick way of keeping everything tied down, keep everything modular. Really like to see that option on the interior here. Last thing we're gonna talk about is the power system in this. So these campers come pre-wired for power. So they're pre-wired for the fan and the lights in the interior here. There are a bunch of options from 4Wheel for a power system. This customer already had this Goal Zero setup, so he wanted to use that in the camper. But this Goal Zero is powering the whole camper. It's also getting charged by the solar up on the roof. So 4Wheel makes it super easy if you do already have a power system like this. Take it to a reputable shop, and they should be able to kind of get that power set up for you. So thanks for taking a look at this Project M 4Wheel camper. If you want to get one on your truck, go ahead and give us a call. We have dealers in Bow, New Hampshire, Westchester, PA, as well as in Charlotte, North Carolina. So if you're on the East Coast looking for a camper, be sure to hit us up. Wanted to give a special shout out to all of our technicians here at the shop. They did an awesome job installing this today. With the 4Wheel campers, there's a lot of variety of different trucks, different mounting setups. All the tailgates are a little different. So you kind of got to be creative, got to know what you're doing to get these installed. And as always, they really knocked it out of the park.